Hello, welcome to Tip Tuesday. Alright, today on Tip Tuesday I'm going to talk about parts storage. So I get one of these storage container type things with dividers that are removable. And then if I'm working on a kit, I've started doing this. I will get the parts and cut them out by step, and I'll put them in here according to the step. I'll start with step 1 over here and then work my way down. Step 2 would be the same way on the next one. So what I'll do is I'll go through and I will get all the parts and pieces cut out off the trees and put them in this. Then by step number, I will go ahead and clean up the mold lines, and then I'll wash the parts and stick them back in the corresponding section. So I found it makes it easier for me when I'm walking through, going through the steps to keep more organized. Especially if I've got a couple different things going, it really helps. Or if you wanted to, you could sort them by color of paint. So let's say you had everything needs to be semi-gloss black, you could put it over here, and then your flat black here, silver here, whatever. However you want to do it, split it up. It's a pretty neat little trick. And then once you're done with everything, putting it away, you can set your instructions on top, close it up, and then you can move out of the way if you have something else you need to work on. Hope you liked my tip, and I'll see you next time.